Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Click on Layer Adjustment and Black and White. Now click on Clipping Mask. Select the Rectangle tool. Follow the process and make a rectangle. Change color of the rectangle. Again, select the rectangle tool and repeat the same process. Select Image and press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Move bottom image layer to top and press Ctrl+J. Hide the upper layer. Right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Now unhide the upper layer. Select Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now click on Add Layer Mask. Select both rectangle layer and arrange. Click on Image Mask. Select the Brush tool. Right-click and resize the brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Now follow the same process.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Select the Horizontal Type tool. I'm using Montserrat font. Font style medium. Font size 24 point. I'm resizing the text around 21 point. Now change the text color. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Double-click on text and type. Drag the text by holding Shift. This is the final result. You can try to create this. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.